Hi, my name is Brian, and welcome to my Meta Learning channel. And really, this channel is about focusing on developing ourselves in ways that artificial intelligence can't develop or augment our human existence. So, primarily, the ways that humans excel are in seeing, in navigating, and improvising. And those are ways that robots and computer algorithms can imitate, but they really can't do it quite the way that humanity can. So some of what I'm going to be working on in the future is looking at human creativity, helping to encourage and develop that in you, emotional intelligence, so things like empathy, compassion, and community, moral reasoning, also physical dexterity, intuition, and overall just adding value and meaning to your life's purpose and to your life itself. So I want this to be a community. So reach out to me. Be sure to contact me. I'll get back to comments as quickly as I can. But some of the videos that I've had in here for a long time encompass a lot of different kinds of care. And the first one would be like personal care. So that's things like hair cutting or shaving, how to cut men's hair, how to cut women's hair. Also spiritual care and wholeness is a big bulk of what my channel is about. So there are a lot of musical elements, cover songs, because I believe music brings a great deal of wholeness and can uplift us, especially in difficult times. And so you'll find a lot of guitar playing and singing and cover songs that I hope you'll enjoy. The second area is like intellectual care. So there are some language learning videos that accompany a book that I published on Amazon called 1,000 Most Common Words in English. And other ones on how to tune instruments. There's some on discernment in deceptive times and just overall problem solving, because we need help to solve difficult problems personally, and finding how to or do-it-yourself videos are beneficial. Another area is financial care. So ways to save money. You'll see some on cloth diapering, but also in the near future, I want to start some videos on developing a small business. It's something that we've done, my wife and I have done for quite a number of years. We've been in business for about 16, 17 years now. And I want to help give a hand up and encourage other people to know that they can start a small business. You can make income on your own, not just being employed by somebody else, but developing a skill or trade yourself that can help support you or your family. And the last area would be physical care, which is things like stretching or children's workout videos. So all these are kind of a holistic look at our human existence and helping us develop ourselves the best that we can as we move forward into the future. So take a look around. I hope you enjoy what you see.